Wow, that was funny. Wow, that was funny. Wow, that was funny. Wow. Man, these outlines are worth so few points. Whoa. Oops. Wait, to go. Uh, I'm just gonna prepare for cold calls for the cases because that's the hardest one. That's the hardest thing to do in class. Because he literally just calls on a student and asks them to summarize a case. Like, what the heck? That means we have to not only read them, but we have to actually, like, remember what they are. Gosh dang it. Okay, this one's short. 6.8.1. Case 8.1. We're just gonna like write a short summary of it. I'll probably just have to read it out loud when I. I mean, that would apply whether or not he was a minor, though, right? What the heck? How did they rule against CMD in this case? How? Disaffirmed? Did they allege that it was disaffirmed? A minor? A minor used Facebook. Facebook used his name and likeness in ads, and his parents sued Facebook, arguing that he was a minor and disaffirmed something, whatever, had disaffirmed the contract, but the court ruled that he did not disaffirm. Okay, that's the summary. So there's the case. There's the case. Case 8.2. Dang it. I don't know. How many cases are there? Please don't be so many. I need to look. I'm just afraid I'm gonna mess up. Crap. Wait. There are 3 for Chapter 8, and then... Dang, there's not very many over here. The heck? Okay. Dude, what? What? Wait, I went way too far back. I'm stupid. I'm on Chapter 8. I'm on Chapter 8, stupid idiot. There's only 3 for Chapter 8. How about 9? Okay, there's only 2 in Chapter 9 and 3 in Chapter 8, so we're already 2 out of 5. We already did the first 2 of Chapter 8. We only need to do 1 more for Chapter 8, right? Because we just did the Facebook one and this one, so... Case 8.3. Jernigan. Jernigan. What is a stop payment? Why did he cancel it, though? So he kind of like cheated the system. He gambled in somewhere, and then he went to a place where gambling was illegal and canceled the payment to the hotel. Huh. That is interesting. What are we going to do here? Oh, man. That seems like such a weird loophole where it's like the gambling institution is actually kind of being screwed here. Okay, so Jernigan went to a gosh dang it, a casino hotel in Puerto Rico, lost money gambling, wrote a check to the hotel, went back to Florida, and canceled the check. The hotel, the casino sued him in Florida. Jernigan One, because the contract was void? Wait, do you say the contract is void because it's but I think that's all for chapter 8, right? Um, chapter 9. Case 9.1. Thank goodness they reversed that decision. My gosh. Wow. Um, had superior knowledge as to whether advanced potential as to whether she was noticeably improving. And it would be a reasonable inference from the undenied affirmance of the complaint that the flowery legumes, as a prelude to her contracting, proceed as much or more from the urge to ring the cash registers from any honest or realistic appraisal of her dancing prowess. I don't know what they're saying here. Which of these exceptions did they go with? I don't know. Maybe number 2? It looks like maybe they went with the second exception. Vokes bought dance lessons from Davenport. He said she was improving, but then she realized she wasn't and sued for what? Wait, this is not technically like contract enforcement. Sued for damages or for a refund or something like that. That was funny. The heck is this? Court ruled in favor of Vokes because Davenport was even though opinion was artifice mean. Tricked her. I'm just saying he tricked her. Something. Stop. And then watch as he cold calls me on something that's not a case, and then I can't answer it. That would be so funny. Yesterday, every single cold call I did was over a case. Like, seriously. And literally every cold call I did, he asked the person to summarize the case. Like, what? I mean, I guess it's okay. It's not that hard to like summarize it ahead of time in your own notes. And then I could just read off my notes if he calls me or something. Williams. Okay, case 9.2. Whoops. This has got to be the last one, right? What's funny? Well, that's a fun contract. Did she even know that that was in the contract? Dang, why did they reverse that decision? That is something. Let's see here. Unconscionability. Yeah, I'm not gonna read it. Or read this. Ah. So, Williams, Laura Williams. That was funny. Bought furniture from Walker Thomas Furniture. Then she fell behind on payments for a piece for something, and Walker Thomas attempted to repossess all of the furniture she had bought. The court eventually ruled that the contract was unconscionable and that that's it. So, there, I'm done. I don't need to do any more of that. I was just trying to make sure. And then watches he doesn't even cold call me. I mean, he said he would do each student 5 times the entire semester. That's like, isn't that like an average of once every 3 weeks? That seems actually rather low. Oh, that was funny. I wonder how long it'll take me to do this. Oh, that was funny. Maybe I can do this very fast. Maybe. Maybe. And in fact, maybe. Let's see if they have like gifts. Crap. acquires this company. Crap, I'm probably gonna have to do some Excel stuff to do this correctly. Maybe not. Maybe I could just use my calculator here. Really, why are they saying negative sign? Why can't you just use... So we have 60,000. Oh. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Is current assets going to be minus 60 because you paid the cash? You would think so. Because it's 60 million. Before, this is assuming they didn't pay the cash yet, right? So 60 million gone instantly, and now you have 5 million in current assets. So I didn't even need my calculator. 5. Property and equipment. So the property and equipment is, well, Greet Batch. His property and equipment is overvalued by 35 million. So 90 minus 35 is 55. So 500 plus 55 is 555. So intangibles. So do we add the unreported intangibles probably, right? I think we have to add the unreported intangibles. So we have intangibles is, well, they have it at 3 right now. And we have to add 15, and we have to add 10. So 28. So 28 plus 20 is 48. Current liabilities. So current liabilities is just going to be 27. I don't even need a calculator for that. Like, what? Is there anything else that's wrong? I mean, not wrong. We already account for everything else. Long-term debt is going to be at 465. Total liabilities is 465 plus 27 is 492. And then equity. Do you do the capital stock as well? Do you just automatically transfer the capital stock over as well? Ah. Do you not care about the stock? Is the stock irrelevant in the question? Do you add the capital stock? Crap. Wait a minute. I mean, we just kind of covered this. We just covered the merger thing here. Oh, come on. This is not the right one. Where's mergers? Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. They probably don't record anything relating to the stocks. So it looks like you just ignore the stocks. At least that's what it seems like. So just record your capital stock as 50. Retained earnings 120. Oh crap, dude. What is, you know what? We're going to keep those ones the same. We're just going to keep them the same. Negative 15. I bet this is all going to be wrong. Dang it. Dang it, now I have to 50. I bet it's going to be all wrong. Dang it. I'm just doing. What do we have to make sure of here? How do we account for goodwill? I forgot. How do you calculate this? The amount of cash paid minus the amount that you bought it for. Crap. Okay, so the amount that you got was like 5 plus 90 plus minus 35 plus 3 plus 15 plus 10. So we have 80, 88. So 60 million in cash was paid to get 88 million worth of stuff. Therefore, 88 minus 60. Wait, what? Wait, hold on a second. No, that means he underpaid for it. How does this work? There should not be goodwill. What is going on here? You bought it for a bargain? How does that make any sense? How? I don't understand. Oh wait, do I have to subtract the liabilities? I'm an idiot. I forgot to subtract liabilities. We're at 88 minus 2 minus 65 equals 21. Oh my gosh. Dude, you bought it for way more. Goodwill is at 39 million. Never mind. So 5 plus 555 plus 48 plus 39, 647, and then 27 plus 465 plus oh crap, I could have just done 492 plus 155 equals 647. So yeah, the thing is, I'm afraid that I did the equity part wrong because I just left it all the same as before, but hopefully we'll just do it. This is here. I can't believe it. That worked. That I did everything correctly. No way. Wait, am I currently on number 6? Why did I do number 6 first? I don't know. Sure, whatever. I got this right. I got this right. Oh my goodness. I mean, mergers are pretty simple. We did mergers in intermediate accounting too, so this is more like a review. Is that a spider on the ceiling? Yes, there is a spider on the ceiling. That's fun. That's funny. Dang it. I don't want a spider on this. It's literally... Okay, stop. So I accidentally did number 6 first. That's okay. That was funny. Maybe we can get all of our homework done this morning, and then I won't have to do any homework the rest of the day. Yay! But then what am I going to do in between classes? Well, then I'll just do more. I'll just do homework that's due a little bit later. So that's not due today, because this homework is due today. So that's funny. What do we have here? Balance sheet reports investments in trading securities at 38 million with net unrealized gains of 2 million. Is it 36 million? Because they paid 36 million for it, and then they have gains of 2 million, so therefore it's up to 38 million. Is it just that simple? Hopefully. Where are unrealized gains and losses on trading securities? Okay, so trading securities, it's reported in income statement. Assume the trading securities at hand. Crap. Purchasing the securities. They bought the securities for $36 million. 36. Please tell me this is. Can I just put it in millions? Oh, thank you. 36. Oh, why is. Stop it. Okay, so we're going to have. They have an investment and they paid cash, and then they record the change in the fair value. So you record a gain, which ends up as a credit. So the debit is increase in the investment. So we got 2. Oh my! Stop putting a 0. So annoying. Okay. Now they sell them for 35 million next year. So the trading security is currently listed at 38 million. So they paid. They received $35 million in cash. Their trading security was actually listed at so they have a loss clearly, and it was listed at 38 million. So therefore the difference is 3 million, which is a loss, and that should be easy. Wow, I can't believe this. I think we did all of this stuff last year. Like, I think chapter 1 might just be a review of last year, but I did notice a few different things in the PowerPoint. But it's weird. He kind of skipped over a lot of parts of the PowerPoint and said a lot of that stuff on the PowerPoint wouldn't even be on the test. I should probably take notes when he says that, like which stuff isn't on the test. I should probably do that. That would be very convenient for me to do. This is the one place where taking notes is actually helpful. When a teacher explicitly states what is and is not going to be on the test, because then you don't have to study everything. So that's fine. That will save me a lot of time if I do that. So anyways. So we got, is it automatically saving? You know, it would be nice if it just automatically save. Like, come on, can you just save them for me? We have balance sheet information. Then we have comprehensive. Calculate the original cost of the AFS securities. Oh, come on. Gosh dang it, man. Gosh dang it. I don't like this question. I can't even concentrate. What the heck is going on here? Why do you have unrealized gains right here? That's not, a gain is not on the balance sheet. What are you talking about? What? This is they combine the balance sheet with the with the with the OCI statement. Why? Those are two different things. Okay. End of year, end of 2022, this much during the year, the the gain unrealized gain was this. Okay, so therefore, is this available for sale? Okay, so they purchased it for this minus 60,000, so 460,000 is what they purchased it for, right? It's pretty straightforward. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Okay, it's 460 multiplied by a percentage. This is so fun. Ah, man, this is annoying. You have to like work backwards. This is not how people do it in real life. You would, in real life, you wouldn't have to calculate this. You would be able to just look it up in your records. Like, why are they making you do this? Okay, it was at 520. Then it went to then let's say oh, come on, why is this so it's like a video on how to do this. Watch this. I'm gonna put 1 and then I'm going to do this. It didn't save the 1 there. But if I put 1 save answers and then leave and then go back. So yeah, you have to click save answers. Otherwise it doesn't save it. Okay. Can I please have a tutorial on the question because I don't feel like trying to figure it out by myself. I mean, I could probably figure it out by myself, but it would take 5 billion years. So, number 2. There's a test. What the heck? That was funny.
Assume the Coca-Cola Company makes the following intercorporate debt investments on January 2nd. Company interest of 12 available for the securities.
This is just one question that they explained. They explained one question in this whole thing. That's one single little question, dude. Nothing. That is nothing. That is nothing, dude. Is there something? Is there a simpler way to do this? It's hard. We have 520 at the beginning of the year. At the end of the year, well, sometime during the year, you sold some, and you also had unrealized gains. But some of the unrealized gains were reclassified. So 65 is the leftover. If you did the full unrealized gains, you would have had 75,000 unrealized gains. Wait. This is bull. Wait, this is this is this is wait. This is contradictory information. This line right here should be exactly the same as this. This says the same thing as this, but has different numbers. The, look, accumulated other comprehensive income. Statement of comprehensive income. Wait, I'm a stupid idiot. This is accumulated comprehensive income, not the statement of comprehensive income. Oh, come on. This is the last solve. There is a difference between accumulated comprehensive income and comprehensive income. Ooh, funny. What? Accumulated comprehensive income is essentially retained earnings, but it's comprehensive income. So that changes things. That means the whole thing I was doing before is different. But at the end of 2022, maybe it's irrelevant. What? It says the original cost of the securities. How are you supposed to calculate that? I guess you just have to. They gave you the three parts of the journal entry that that are other than the original cost, and then you have to calculate the original cost from those three pieces of information. That was funny. But this would never be required in real life, right? Because if you wanted to know the original cost of the securities in real life, you would just look up the original transaction where you bought the securities and figure out what you paid. You wouldn't have to do all this mental gymnastics to actually figure it out. Like, come on. I mean, I don't know if it's even possible to look in the book to see how to do this question because it's. Think. How fast can I? Because now I'm on a faster computer. It's actually much easier to do all this stuff. That's funny. Fast computer is fast. Oh, great. Past computers. See? We don't know when they bought the securities, though. Does that? Is it just as simple as you take 520 and then you subtract 60,000? That's it. Is that this as why did I think it was more complicated than that? It's just 460,000. Cash received on the sale. So we know the journal entry. When they sell securities, they will receive cash. They have a gain on the sale of the security, and reclassification of gains on securities is going to be here. Reclassification of unrealized gains on AFS securities. So, and they receive cash, and then they have a gain on the sale of securities. Gain on sale of AFS securities, and then AFS securities. So the one thing we don't know is cash yet. We still don't. Of course, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. Auto. I wish everything would just auto fit automatically. But come on. Okay, stop it. Dang it, 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 dang it. Dang it, 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 dang it. It still doesn't fit. How? Fit on the screen. Stop. We don't know the class. We know the reclassification is 10,000. We know that the gain is 20,000. And then AFS security. We don't know that. Wait, we do know that the AFS security went from 520. We don't know that either because we don't know. Think we know that it went from 520 to something, and then you sold it, and it went down to 460. But how do you know what the something was? Okay, it went from 520 to and then you added 25,000 because you had 25,000 of gains, and then you reclassified 10,000 of the gains. So therefore, you originally had 25,000 gains. So when you sold it, it was actually up to it was up to 545,000. and then you sold it and it went down to 460. So this equals 545 minus 460. And this should automatically balance. Wait, what? This should automatically balance. Why are these? Why is it? Okay. It's now if they don't balance, I can't do a plus sign anymore on my. Oh no! Oh, they don't balance. How? How? How do they not balance? Wait. No, you stupid idiot. This is not how you're supposed to do it. Okay, the securities went up to 545,000 and then they sold it and then okay, this one is supposed to be 85,000 actually, weirdly enough. And then this one is just you balance the equation, but no, try to do it without bouncing because that would just be a circular reasoning. Catch. They sold it went up to 545 and then it went to 460. Therefore, the difference between those two is how many that they sold. So they sold this much of it. They reclassified 10,000 of OCI. Okay, maybe it is just simply balancing the equation. So this equals this plus this minus this. $95,000. What is going on here? What is this? What is wrong with this? Equals this plus this. Yeah, clearly they balance. Okay, so now that was funny. 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 95,000. I hate my life. 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 Come on! I put all of that effort in for nothing. Come on. You've got to be kidding me. It's 460 because it's this minus this. How? Come on. 520 minus 60,000 is 460, right? Because 60 plus 60 is 120. So, come on. Oh wait, I'm a stupid idiot. That's the original cost of all of the securities. That's so. So you have to do 460 times the percentage. So percentage we have equals 545. We have equals the amount that was sold was 85,000, and then divided by the 545,000. The percentage of securities that you sold was this equals this times the original cost of the securities equals 71. Dude, this better be. This looks like it's not going to be the right answer because it's a decimal and they didn't even ask you for decimal answers. So that's funny. Come on. But I think you get unlimited checks here. How did I get such a decimal answer? How? The security started at 460 and then went up to 545. And then you sold 85,000 of the 545. So you sold this exact percentage, this very weird percentage. That was funny. How is this such a strange percentage? And then I multiplied that percentage by the original cost of it to get 71,743. Oh no, but that's the amount that you sold. Dang. You sold, you actually want to do the opposite. You sold 71,000 of the 460. So the original cost of the 460 should be 388, 257. You've got to be kidding me. No, 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 no. Does it give you the correct answer if you stop? It said I didn't get the cash correct. It said that my cash was wrong. Oh, come on. This is crap. This is stupid. This is dumb. This is blurry. This is blobbly. Blah 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 blah. The total unrealized gains was 5,000. Not 25,000, 5,000. Yeah, but it was 25,000 before you sold them, and then the unrealized was reclassified to realized. So then the unrealized ended up at only 5,000 unrealized gains, ending up at 65,000. And your securities still it went from 520 to 460. It okay, you would have had Well, this is still correct. And this is still correct. And then the question is how much of the securities were sold? It was 520,000. The gain on the sale of the securities was 20,000. It's so. Oh my gosh, good graciousness. Oh man. The securities decreased in value by 60,000, but actually didn't. No. How do you do that? What? Hell. Stupid. My goodness, I just realized that I have like a ridiculous amount of time before I have to go to class. I have until I have all the way until like 9:45. Hate this question. Hate this question sucks. Like, I don't think the textbook would even help you with this. Wait, did we start talking about chat? Ooh, in class yesterday? I can't remember. Did we start talking about chapter 2 or did we talk about chapter 1 the whole time? Who cares? few days before my Cuban competition. When was the Cuban competition? It was like August 19th. So it has been about a month since I got here. But no. Yeah, I hate this question. Okay, my logic should have worked because 520 and then it went up to 545 because it had a total of 25,000 gains. Oh, come on. Maybe not. No. Why did you reclassify 10,000 of it as from unrealized gains? How does that work? Wait, so it's they receive the gain total gain on the sale was 20,000. Do you do 20,000 minus 10,000 equals 10,000? Wait, I'm trying to. I need to go reclassification part here. Not impairment testing. Okay, I think I'm supposed to look in chapter 2. What? How is this a chapter? Wait. How on earth do they not have the word reclassification on this? What? This is what for impairments. This is an impairment. That's when they reclassified it. But in this case, they were supposed to reclassify it when they sold the securities. You were supposed to reclassify because when you sell it, you reclassify the gain from OCI to net income. The accumulated gains on gains were that they reclassified was 10,000. Okay, but why did they reclassify 10,000? Okay, so maybe the total gains was actually 35,000 because wait, no. The securities, the amount of gains on the securities that they sold that were classified as Come on, why can't I understand this? I'm trying to just figure it out. It should happen in the PowerPoint. I don't understand. There was okay, available for sale. Where's available for sale? Where's the part where they reclassified here? Come on. Where is it? Where is it? Why wouldn't this reclassification appear in the find? This is where we're where we're getting this. Here's the reclassification of 25,000. Here's what happened. They sold security A for 120. Cost was 100,000. Year-end value was 125. Then they sold it for 120, so they have a realized gain of 20,000. Now, how did you get 20,000? You have the original cost minus what? Wait a minute. To calculate the gain, they took the original cost of it, not the okay. So the realized gain was 20,000. They recorded the full 20,000 as the realized gain. They reclassified 25,000. The reclassification is the cost is the year-end value minus the original cost. In this case, I'm not even going to try to figure out. I'm not even going to try to justify it. I'm just going to remember that the reclassification was the year-end value minus the original cost. The year-end value we know is 520. Yeah, but that was only partial. They made it more complicated because they only sold a portion of the securities. Oh, come on, why did they have to make it so complicated? You've got to be kidding me. The example in our PowerPoint does not. The year-end value of the portion that they sold, but they didn't tell you how much they sold. They only told you the gain on this sale. That's it. Reclassification equals. We don't know the year-end value because we don't know how many they sold. And we don't know the original cost either. It's like, what? How are we supposed to? There's something we know we're supposed to know. We're supposed to know two of these variables, and I only know one. I'm trying to figure out what the other one is. We know that the year-end value of all of them was 520, but we don't know the amount that they sold. How do you know the amount that they sold? Okay, and the gain on the sale is just the difference between the selling price and the cost. But we literally don't know the cost or the selling price because we don't know the percentage of them that they sold. We only know. Wait. Oh, we're supposed to be able to get the amount they sold based on the 520 and the 460. Come on. It was at 520. Okay. The gain on the sale tells you. The gain on the sale tells you. Oh, come on. Wait. Do you just do 520 plus 5,000 minus 460? Because because that would mean you have that's the value of the investment, but you actually sold the 65,000. Gosh, that's probably not. 75,000. That was funny. 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 And wait, yeah. Stop. 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 Without the selling, if you had not sold it, then therefore the reclassification equals the year-end value minus the original cost. But we don't know the year-end value of the amount that they sold. Is it 460 minus 395,000? Oh my gosh. Wait, then if this is correct, if this number is correct, then how come I got the cash number wrong? That doesn't make any sense. I managed to get this number correct. If I got this number correct, this number was based on this number. So, and the cash should be this. I already equals this plus this minus this. This equals this plus this. This equals this plus this. So how on earth is the cash not 75,000? How is the cash wrong? Because I got this number correct somehow. Because I got that. This number is based on this number. This number. Okay, but this is not right because 65, but the unrealized gains were not accounted for. Dang it. The original cost of it was 65. So 65. Did I just get lucky? Did I just get lucky? Wait, where did I even get the 65,000? Did I just get lucky or something? With the 65,000. Where did I even get that number? I'm so stupid. I shouldn't have deleted all my information where I got the number. I said that the gain on the sale securities. I literally forgot how I got 65,000. 60. Wait, we now have the original cost. I'm a stupid moron. We literally just got the original cost as 395. Do, 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 do. equals year end value minus original cost is $395. No. Oh no. Yeah, but the original cost of well, we know that the original cost of the securities that we held is that, but the original cost of every security total was 460. Therefore, 460 minus year IU equals. What the heck? Wait. Where'd I get? How on earth is this going to end up as a negative number? Seriously? This is going to end up as a negative number. How? Original cost of what? Because we have the original cost of the individual security. I calculated. The reclassification. They just did the equals the year-end value minus the original cost. The year-end value has to obviously be bigger than the original cost because it's a gain. The original cost is 65,000, but they only reclassified 10,000. What? They only reclassified 10,000. I'm being a stupid moron. Wait, how am I being stupid? I'm stupid. I'm literally stupid. Gosh. It's because I was using the word minus instead of a negative sign. My brain just thought there was no negative sign at all because it was a word instead of a sign. 10,000 plus 65,000 equals 75,000. That's the answer I got before, and that's wrong. Wait, 75,000 is the, never mind. This is the year-end value. Never mind. 75,000 is the year-end value. Therefore, 75,000 is this. Therefore, this equals this plus this minus this, and 85,000. That was so incredibly difficult. Good job. That was not supposed to be that hard. Come on. That was such a waste of time. My life I could have better spent my life than wasting so much time on that one question. Come on. I can't even afford to waste time like this anymore. Blah 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 blah. I wonder if it shows you the solutions after you complete, like, after you get a bunch of stuff wrong. Like, you could take a little bit of credit off the assignment to save a bit of time. Like, he said that you would only take 0.01% off if you. That could save me time in the future. I mean, not 0.01%, 0.01, 1%. In general, just 1% off the assignment. Like, I might just take the L and take 1% off so that I can get through the assignments more quickly. heck is this? Uh, the depreciation on the equipment is 4,000,000 times The depreciation on the equipment equals 4,000,000 divided by divided by 5 times so 1, 2, 3. This equals this times 0.4. So okay, well, that's the amount that increased from its to what it is now. So you do equals 14,608,000 minus this. I mean, yes. And then you end up with this and 14,200,000. What? Don't you just record 100 million? Do you just record the 100 million because you... Wait, what? It says equity of 100. How come it says equity is 100? Stupid war. How the heck? So, come on. I want help. I want help. I want help. I want help. Why can't... Wait, you stupid moron. You literally just do 950, you stupid moron. You stupid... So then we do... Recordings as a merger. Goodwill, liabilities, cash, paid 950. And then they acquired the liabilities of 900, and they acquired the assets of 1,000. So therefore, you just have to make it balanced. Crazy. I don't even know what that means. What? In the significant influence, all you do is add, or technically their assets stayed the same because their assets just, you replaced one asset with another asset, so it'd just be significant influence. You would do liabilities divided by assets. 2 divided by 8 is 1 divided by 4 is 25%. And then if it's the other one, you actually do stuff. Dang it. the parentheses, the numerator is going to be the liabilities. The liabilities is going to be equal to 20 million plus all of the liabilities of the 900. So, and then you're going to do divided by what? Why did it automatically put a negative? Oh, wait, never mind. Divided by no. And then you're going to divide it by the 80,000. I'm stupid. Wait. Plus the total assets that they acquired. Well, actually, they acquired some assets and lost assets. And so you acquired 1,000 plus you acquired 850, and then you subtracted 950. So therefore, the percent is going to be 25.8. 25.8. Ooh. Dang, that was such a short soundtrack. That was what? Wait a minute. Dude, this like this 1 through 12 probably barely took up any time. Anyways. Man, I can't believe that we're basically only halfway through listening to everything right now. We get 2 from this artist in a row. Fun. Dude, I didn't even read the book to do this assignment. I mean, that's probably why it's taking forever, but I'm managing to do the assignment without reading the book. Wow. I mean, I paid attention in class and read some of the PowerPoint, but that's about it. So, come on. But yeah, I only have one question left, and then I'll be done with all the homework I need to do today, and I won't even have to do anything else. But there's stuff due tomorrow. Well, there used to be stuff due tomorrow, but now there isn't anymore because I think he pushed back the due date. Let me look at this. There used to be something in cost accounting due Friday, but now there is not anymore. It is now due the 17th, which is Sunday night. That's funny. So yeah, but there's nothing due Friday either, technically. So I could get away with not doing homework at all until Sunday after today. But he said there's going to be a quiz tomorrow, so I probably should study for the quiz. Ooh, funny. And by study for the quiz, maybe I will do the homework assignment after all, just so I can study for the quiz. And that was funny. So get gas. Yeah, I'm a stupid idiot. I set my reminder for 7:20 because I forgot I'm not leaving at 7:45. I'm leaving at 9:45 because it's Thursday, right? And I'm not mistaken. Today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. And on Thursdays I go to class and the class starts at 11. Today's Thursday today. So the gas reminder should actually be set for 9:20. And We have to complete one more question, so stop. Basis. What does that mean, basis difference? This zone sucks. Whoops. How do I feel hungry? I mean, yesterday I ate way too much food. Yesterday I literally ate lunch at like 3, or I ate lunch at like 4 o'clock, and then I ate dinner at 7 o'clock. Well, it's not that I ate a lot, it's that I ate so much in a short period of time. Because I could have, if I had spread it out over the course of the day, it would have been perfectly normal to have the lunch and then have the dinner later, but that's not. And then this morning I had cereal and then hundreds, that was funny. And I'm already hungry to eat. When did I eat breakfast this morning? 3? Dude, did I seriously get up at 3? Did I seriously get up at 3? Wait, no, I don't think I got up at 3. Did I? I didn't even pay attention to what time I got up. You've got to be kidding me. Dude. Did I get up at 3:30 or something? Well, I mean, I was clearly awake by about even earlier than 3, but I didn't get up way better. I literally feel hungry right now, and I'm not going to be able to eat until about 4. I mean, technically, I could eat earlier if I wanted to. I could theoretically go up and get some food or something. I could theoretically bring food with me to class, but I don't want to. That's fine. It's funny how I go hours upon hours upon hours without eating, but it's all completely negated when you completely stuff your face. Wait, so you know, I wish my stomach was bigger because I prefer eating like a lot all at once rather than little bits throughout the day. So like I'll wait all day and then like eat a large amount of food and then feel extremely full. But I'd rather it be that you don't get full from that so easily, but you only do that like once a day or something. So it would still end up being the same amount of food as normal. It's just instead of eating 3 meals, you would only eat 1 meal a day. could just eat one large meal a day instead of three small meals a day. That's funny. I don't have to just put food in this thing. And I prefer these flat lunch boxes. I can't believe nobody's ever thought of this before. I can't believe I've never had a flat lunchbox before. They've all been vertical. It's so much easier to reach all the food if it's horizontal. Go. Why? Why do most of our lunch boxes I've ever had, every single other lunch box I had growing up was vertical. So you had to reach down far into it to use the food. This one is so much better. Why? I probably should, because before I only had to go to class for the most amount of time I had to spend going to class was from 9:45 to 5. So about 7 hours is the most I would have to do. But this semester I'm actually gonna have to be out for longer than that because I'm gonna have to go to class in the morning. So I'm gonna have to go from like 8 to 5, which is 8 hours. I mean 9 hours. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, or at least maybe I might ask them if I could just work Tuesdays or only work Thursdays. Like one of the two, not both. Because but if on either Tuesday or Thursday or both, I might actually have to get to work by 6 in the morning. And then I would be done with school by 4:15. So that's 10 hours. Can I go 10 hours without eating anything? Or eating or drinking anything? Probably. So that means that after work, I'd probably just eat my lunch on those days. I'd probably just eat my lunch in the. Am I allowed to bring food up into the library, or would I just have to go to my car for lunch? Because I'd rather just eat it up in the library. As long as I clean up after myself, I don't know if it's a problem. Maybe I could just call the library and ask them if it's okay if I eat my lunch, and as long as I don't make a huge mess, I clean up after myself. I don't know. Because that's probably one of the end up doing. That's funny. But then, what about Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays? Those days, I would have to eat lunch while I'm at work, probably. So, I mean, you would think they would give me. They would probably give me a break on the 11 to 5 days. I would. I wonder if since I don't work the 4 hours, I don't get a break. That was fun. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. You've gotta be kidding me. No, how about... Can we save it as an image? Let's save as an image. I want to save as an image. Five. That was funny. There's no room to do the actual problem on the side. There's no room. There's no room. You had to make it take up the whole screen. You had to do that. It's too small to read. It's so small. They gave way too much irrelevant information. The only entry you need to make is for the earnings. It's just the earnings that you have to worry about. That's it. Because it's 45%. All you have to do is 45%. Wait, I forgot what you do here. The earnings. Oh, come on. How did I forget what to do here? Is it gain? What was it? Equity. What the heck? Wait. What? Wait a minute. Dang it. Dang it, I'm stupid. How did I forget how to do this? I should not have forgotten how to do this. Equity. What is the account equity and net income of that? That's just an income statement account. It's going to be, its net income was 2.5 million. Two. They gave you so much irrelevant information. They gave you so much irrelevant information. All of this was irrelevant. How? All of that was irrelevant. Oh, come on. It's going to be relevant. It's going to be relevant to B, of course. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang, 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 gosh dang it. Gosh dang it, gosh dang it, gosh dang it. How's that wrong? Amortize. No, they didn't give an example of basis debt plan. It price paid, book value. What? What? No. How? No, no, no. Come on. Oh. This is crap. This is crap. How is 1.125 million wrong? Come on. That's not wrong. You've got to be kidding me. Stupid. This is stupid. I did 0.245 times the number here and here. You've got to be kidding me. They didn't even give an example. How do you... That's fine. N times 0.45. Nine. Oh. Recorded year of depreciation equals this divided by 10 equals this divided by 15. It's 1,125,000. Calculate the invest. Now what? This is the last thing I have to do. That's fine. This is funny. Maybe I can manage my time certain. I almost forgot that the thing was still recording. That was fine. Okay. It shouldn't have to be calculated. Purchased it in 2020 for an amount. Then now calculate the amount that it is at the end of 2023. You've got to be kidding me. How are you supposed to do that? You've got to be kidding. Oh my god. Do you just do the difference between in the retained earnings? Do you just do the difference in the retained earnings to figure out the change? You just do the same whole thing again, except instead of uh, the change is gonna be this, but the change is gonna be equal to, this is 1 year of depreciation, but it's actually going to be 3 years of depreciation instead of 1 because 2020, wait, no, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. So I think you just have to multiply those by 4. And then, so both of those, and then equals this plus this. So that's the change. That's the change. That's the amount that you subtract. And the retained earnings was, so it went from 13 to 25, so it was 12, but you do 12 minus this equals 12 minus this. So therefore, this is the added to original cost. So the original cost was $30 million. So this equals this plus this is 39.12 million. No. That was funny. You've got to be kidding me. It was 30 million to start, and then you add 9.12 and get 39. Oh. The value of the investment is considered to be 30 million, isn't it? No, it's not. Wait a minute. Oh. Wait. Yeah, it is. That's just it. It's 30 million. You record it at 30 million to start. Like price paid. I recorded it as 4 years of depreciation because I recorded it as there's a difference in the values. These are the differences in the values. 9 and 10. How did I get 9? Where's 9? Yeah, because 9 and 10 million difference. Those are the differences. This is going to have this number. This number is yearly depreciated by 10 and by 15, and there's now 4 years of depreciation. So this is the amount that's depreciated. So this plus this is the full amount of depreciation. So you take the 12, because you would normally have gotten $12 million of income, but instead of $12 million of income, you ended up with, because it says their retained earnings went from 13 to 25. Yeah, but you can't just use retained earnings to say how much income. Oh yeah, you can. Can't you? Can't you just use retained earnings to figure out the amount of income? Because they're it's like their net income. It's just their net income minus the dividends, which is exactly what you want it to increase by anyways. So 12. It went to 12. I mean, went up by 12. So therefore it's 12. But minus there's 2.88 of depreciation, so you subtract the 2.88 of depreciation. So there you get that, and that's added to it. So 30 plus that is 9. So how is that wrong? How? 39,120,000. You've got to be kidding me. This is already multiplied by 0.45, so it doesn't need any change. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. You don't do 12 minus that. You do equals 12 times 0.45 minus this. Now it's 32.52. That took 5 billion years. That took 5 billion years. That took 5 billion years. Can I get an overview? I have to double check everything to make sure I answered it right. Like, come on. Like, there should be an overview of how many points I have on the attempt. It's so annoying, I have to double check it. Is this full marks? Now, do they have solutions for all these questions? Because that'd be very convenient. Because maybe my solutions were inefficient. Can you show the answers? Do you show answers? Please show solutions to the questions. They've got to show the answers. They've got to. They don't show you how to. Oh, wait. What? They have to show the solutions after you finished it. That sucks. They literally just have 2 example problems for the entire chapter. Are you kidding me? They have 2 examples for the entire chapter. That's it? That's all you have? Are we done? I don't even feel like studying for tomorrow's quiz. Is it open notes? Is the quiz open book? I don't remember if it's open. I can already tell this is going. Blah, 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 blah stuff. Why is there only in-class exercises for chapter 1? Why is the test only 10 points? I should probably study for the quiz, tomorrow's quiz, so I don't completely embarrass myself. But I don't feel like it, so would I be able to get away with not studying? Maybe I'll just read the PowerPoint. I'll just read the PowerPoint. Right. I'm gonna read the chapter 1 PowerPoint as my form of studying. Stop being stupid. How is it lagging right now? How is it lagging? How? How? My computer is lagging? That's hilarious because this is the fastest computer on the planet. That is hilarious. That is not supposed to happen. This is the fastest computer on the planet and yet it's lagging. That's hilarious. Let me sign in, dang it. Well, what happens when I'm no longer going to school? During the year I didn't go to school, it still let me use Microsoft Office. This is bull. I literally just signed in. I literally just signed in. You're making me do it again? It didn't even work. Stop. Stop. That was funny. I said sign into this app only, and then it automatically signed me out of the app. Do I have to memorize the definition of managerial and financial accounting? No. I don't care. Are they gonna? Is that gonna be on the quiz? I hate all the transitions. I wish I could deactivate all the transitions. Or whatever they're called. What is it? How do you deactivate all the steps? How do you deactivate them? Because it's getting extremely annoying. There's got to be a way to do this. Because this one, like for example, is this one? No, not that one. This one clearly has something here. So this has it it has two parts to the slide. It does both of them separately. It does them both separately. So how do you turn it off? There's got to be a way to turn it off for all slides. Like I wish it would just show everything in the I wish it would just show everything in the PDF, but it doesn't because it's complete crap. How? How? What? Where's the animations? Or transitions? What? How? Where is this coming from? There's no way to fix it. This sucks. This sucks. Slideshow, set up slideshow, and then show without animation. That might fix it. That might actually fix it. Slideshow. Where is it? Set up slideshow. Show without animations, right? That should fix it, right? That's gotta fix it. Come on. Yes, I fixed it. Finally. Oh, come on! That didn't fix the problem because now I can't. It's omitting information. That's the exact reason why I can't use the PDF. That's such crap. Why? You've gotta be kidding me. The only way to see certain parts of the slideshow is to actually use the animation. Dang. This is very, 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 very funny.